Hey guys, I'm Aniket Chakravarti and I welcome you in this channel. Well, this is my first video and I hope that you will watch this video till the end. Let's begin the video. So today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite branch of IT sector, which is known as Internet of Things. So this branch deals with a system which interconnect devices so that they can exchange their data wirelessly without any human interaction. So now you can ask that which kind of data and from where the data come from. Basically, these devices collect data from different types of sensors. As you know, sensors are embedded in every type of smart devices which we use in our day-to-day life. Example, smart TV, smart refrigerator, smartphone, etc. etc. We can find the application of IoT in every other field. Example, in agriculture, IoT devices are used to measure the fertility, moisture content, and the quality of the soil. Moreover, automated machines in factory, smartphone, fitness band, wireless camera system are few examples of IoT. So that's all for today. मैंने इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं खींचा because I don't know कैसा होने वाला है and अगर आपने अभी तक इस वीडियो को देखा है then please hit the subscribe button and most importantly please give your valuable feedback in the comment section so that I can increase the quality of my video, and hit the like button if you like the video. And that's all for today and I will meet you at the next video. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.